just, maybe that'll hold, but maybe it'll strip through. Keep going faster. What the hell are these idiots doing?
There's the good road that we're meant to be on. That all the other cars.
Look at it.
What?
Don't celebrate yet. It's only one. Oh fuck! Here, I'll jam something in there.
Oh, look at normal people on the road. Nobody really cares enough to help us.
Okay, man. We can. If I just get one bolt off, it'll do. Okay, let's try.
Oh, there we go. It's sliding.
Now, oh man, this chain better not hold it. Let's try.
Oh.
You can almost lift the gate up for that though. Hold on a second, let me take this. Everybody just stop there, I'm going to take this one completely off. And when they put their little lock on, I didn't think people would be doing this.
I've done this before.
Yeah. Okay, that's that. Now that chain needs to go below. Now lift it up. Now let that chain lift over as well if I do this. You ready? And we're out of there!
We're free!
That was only a minute 40. Good job, you guys. That's faster than some of the manual made.
We should be criminal
Chris start calling, just buggering around.
When we were masterminds, we wouldn't have been on that side of the gate in the first place. Dude, I think that sign says something like come in here unless you're old.
It doesn't say we can't go out of there though, so that's alright.
If only I understood it like a bridge.
You guys gonna be good, honest citizens and put the fence back together the way you found it. Sure glad you were prepared with a couple tools, Phil.
What? That chain needs to go below. Oh no, you've got it. Yeah. Okay, I'll do that.
Felix will be so proud. He better damn well like those sausages we're bringing for him in the beer.
Better be fucking windy.
Yeah!
I have to say, I've seen a lot of vehicles go that way. I haven't seen any go this way.
Exactly.
Okay, so that's through.
If only they locked the other side of the gate, we wouldn't have gotten into this predicament.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. And this wire needs to go back on the top.
Now let's get out of here before somebody thinks we're trying to break in.
Flathead screwdriver?
I probably got something like that. They help. Use those to grab it and drag it down.
I didn't really see what that piece of bar was achieving anyways, but you know. Considering you can just walk through over there.
Yeah, I suspect it's more the animals than the humans.
Yeah. Yeah, but that walkway's a pretty decent sized gate to get through. Alright, out of here.
Go team, good job. Ingenuity.
If it wasn't that much effort to get through that, we might not have